Okay, I have a Pro Micro Arduino here, and hooked up to it I have a servo hooked up to pin 9 and also to ground and red. I also have an analog stick, and that is hooked into analog 0, so A0, and I only have the x-axis plugged in. So here's a little demo of what happens when you move the stick. Now it's analog, so it's pressure sensitive. You can go fully. I mean, is this cool or what? Now I'll go over the code a little with you here. Basically, it's very simple. You just have include servo library, attach the servo, or create the servo. You make a constant int for the pin. You make an int for the value. That would be the value that the analog stick is giving. Then in setup, you attach the servo, have the serial port for debugging, and then the loop, the main loop, is just value equals analog read X pin. We map it so that it works with the servo, because servo only goes from 0 to 180. We write that information, my servo.write, we write that value to the servo, and 15-second delay. And it's as simple as that. You can use this, take it apart, make it move other things, regular motors, turn lights on or off instead, whatever you want to do. But here's just the example code to get you started for all you noobs out there. Hope you enjoyed.